Tablecloth Clips Holders. Tablecloth clips holders are small clips that keep table covers secure, preventing slip-up or wind disturbance. These clips holders are small but mighty accessories that can make a big difference in the success of your outdoor gathering. Tablecloth clips holders are made of high-quality plastic and are sturdy. And it's very compact and convenient, and it can keep your tablecloth in place. These clips are especially useful on windy or when you have a lot of activity around your table. Buy 1 pack of tablecloth clips only $2.49. Also buy 3 pack only $5.49. These tablecloth can help to prevent your tablecloth from becoming a nuisance and ensure that your guests can enjoy a meal without worrying about their food or drink spilling. Tablecloth clips holders comes in a single colors and style, so you can find ones that match your party theme or personal aesthetic. These clips comes in a single colors and styles, so you can find ones that your party theme or personal aesthetic. These clips are very easy to use. Simply clip them onto the edge of your tablecloth and then onto the edge of your table. They are also reusable, so you can use them for different events. These tablecloth clips is especially useful if you are having a picnic in a windy location. Hold a tablecloth in place on round tables can be difficult to secure a tablecloth to, but tablecloth clips can help to keep it in place. Tablecloth clips can be used to create a variety of different table settings. For example, you could use them to create a scalloped edge on your tablecloth or to add a decorative touch to your table. Make sure to choose tablecloth clips that are the right size of your tablecloth. If you use clips that are too small, they will not be able to hold your tablecloth in place. Overall, tablecloth clips are a great way to keep your tablecloth in place and a touch of style to your outdoor gathering. They are easy to use and affordable, so they are a great option for any budget. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.